Cela bandla sibuyele back to i-summary eyanikezwa kwamndabe earlier about the qualities of a leader, ne? Honesty was one of them.
Honesty, patience, kindness, integrity, and discipline.
Yeah. Okay. I'd like to encourage you, Babuti, at this point to practice one of the cornerstones.
Ngoba mabezifaka fanele responde ekuyifakeni izomisa inhlelo eziphuma kuphela akaqhubeka aye phambili up until abantu babe right siba include. No one has ever said anything kumina la kunomhlangano ngokuthi oh yes siyabonga ke baba unalokho bakhulume ngezinye izinto.
You might experience some type of rebellion, but it's a frustration that they are now demonstrating because they feel you have set a wall that you are not penetrable.
Kufanele ngiphendule imibuzo kodwa khona engafanele ngiphendule.
No,
engafanele ngiphendula ingafakwa ngoba manje ngizophendula wonke umbuzo.
Mhlawumbe Mthombeni indlela ochaze ngayo eqaleni eyenza ukube ngazuthi mhlawumbe akuzwakalanga kahle.
Okay.
Ngoba ngesikhathi kade Thobile umyikiseleni umntwana ukusebenza uthe wena umsebenzi ubakamiseleko.
Yeah.
So ngicabanga ukuthi leyo mpendulo akuzange kube impendulo eqondile kahle. Ngoba okay, ngicela ukuthi umoya wakho ungakhuphuki ukuze sikwazi ukuthi nje sihambisane kahle la kule nto. Ngiyawubona manje ukuthi ngathi uyacikeka ngendlela osowuphendula ngayo. Sicela ukuthi sibekezelelane. Isikhathi ukuthi uma ukhuluma naye into mengayisa awuqedi ukukhuluma nabona sukume abephendula bephume ehamba. So ngicina ngingazazi noma nginayo yini voice noma cha. Izona ezenze kwanaleya nto le yongezwakali kahle. Njengoba esetshisho ukuthi asiholi thina. Uma sithi wena hayi ziningi into esenginenzele zona nini. Akukho right indlela ophendule ngayo.
I think kube nengxoxo eyenzekile phakathi kwaMayeni Makhumalo Mangwaka for the fact ukuthi balwela into eyodwa. I think leyo nto ibenza bajele. Abundaba ngosisinondo. Uyabona lento engike ngiyikhuluma ayibonakala njengamanje kodwa izobonakala. Yazi ke lesekhaya umzulu safika kwaMayeni ithangi lilele phezulu. Kodwa kube bekhona umuntu okhona ekhaya ngabungitshelile ukuthi kunethangi umoya ngobomkhulu omyisile.
Kahle uba kuziveza yena nje ubiyena manje ukuvila bakhe. Kusho ukuthi mina fanele ngibuye ngigibele phezulu kweroof ngehlise isandla. Kumsebenzi wendoda lo.
I think I must stop paying uMphemba because le nto angakhokhela umuntu ongawenza umsebenzi wrong. Because by the way guys, if you don't know, uMphemba ngaze ngiye umholela ever since nahamba, I pay him every month for ukuthi take care of igceke. Ngiyobush egcekeni kube kumele ngikhokhele uMphemba kodwa uMphemba usho ukuthi ngimkhokhela kodwa ngoba angimgadi kwenile.
Lokho kukhokhela uMphemba. It's my effort ukuthi I must open doors so that kuzotholakala imali yokuthi akhokhele uMphemba. So for any person ukuthi athi ngikhokhela uMphemba uyakhuluma nje.
Ubani bekufanele abone leyo nto because uma yena bezovuka emsebenzini uMangwabi noMakhumalo ngoba thina siyasebenza ke bandla awusekusana besizovuka semsebenzini vele bese sibheke siyibone leyo nto. As a man vele umsebenzi wakho ukubona into wrong ne right egcekeni. So uMphemba ustepha in for you, not for us. Uma yena ngeke aqhubule ithangi alibuyisele la behleli khona. Umsebenzi wethangi wendoda. Ngadlala futhi ngoMphemba, uMphemba uyasebenza. Uyena ndoda ekhona egcekeni uMphemba. Indoda yalela gcekeni. UMphemba mseleke. Ushaya bambili yona ndoda wasisiza bambili.
egcekena kwenyile njengamanje because mina ngiyaya njalo nje
Ngibona
but there was bekune-motivathile yabantu abekade beyephuma lalela exactly.
Meaning lento engiyishoyo bandabeni.
Omama bobathathu, they are presenting a case, evidence and clarity. But it does not mean into eshoya ukuthi ungavele uthathe decision without verifying the whole thing.
I-problem ekileyo bandabeni yokuthi ngiyachaza ukuthi ngabe ngiripotheliwe. My opening statement ithena imizamo izinto engizozenza funeka ngiyimise izothatha imandla akulalelwa lokho fanele ngicrucify ngibe ngishilo ukuthi I will stop izinto ezizomenza uMakhwela aye kamsebenzi.
Do you want him to halt in the mamalobolo Makhumane?
Anginayo ishono ukuthola ukuthi iplan yamthombeni yokuqhubeka ithini ngoba there's a part of ukulobola and there's a part of being an employee. So anginayo sure whether kufanele aholele umuntu amqashile noma kufanele abeke imali ayolobola. Akukho engiphikisana nako la ngikhona, akukho okungithintayo as far as into ehlangene nosisi is concerned. Makuthiwa ziyawushayana kusasa ngiyozwa ku-social media makuthiwa noma ngabe yini nje yabo because at least yena she has a full support yomuntu okuyena vele ekuzwiwa ngayo. So hayi akukho bandla akukho Nkosi yami. UMthombeni akenza noma yini afisa ukuyenza ngomuntu wakhe. For as long as uMthombeni ebeka ukuthatha kwakhe unkosikazi njengomngane bekona into elekhaya ngeke sihambisane nalokho because I do not believe ekhaya bekunento elekhaya. Kade sihleli for years ingekho problem. Mase uphathele umuntu omthandayo yabo uzijolele nomuntu wakho kwabamnandi uyamthanda isho ukuthi mina ngithanda umuntu wami ungathi kunento eshodayo ekhaya because kade sihleli for years.
Yabo umuntu mekwakutshela ukuthi kukubo la yena ufuna ukuba nomuntu wakhe emzombe uzotshela bani utshele mina angena phela mina unina yena mefuna ukuba nomuntu wakhe ngoba wejwayele ukuthi uma ngabe sefuna umuntu akenze ngalo ndlela kadenza ngavele umuntu esejwayele lo ndlela adenza ngayo.
But I don't know how many years later there is something eshodayo in Makhwela of the builder who's of the building everything. Can we not say kontezolungisa athi uMthombeni wamnandi umjolo wami ngithanda umfazi omshesha cekeceke umacekeceke wami ona 22 years.
Sanibonani and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, please make sure to show our community some love and support. Guysini, I felt like this episode was all over the place. At some points, I felt like they were talking in circles. Ngoba some of the issues they are raising now is into bebeloke beyikhuluma kwaseqaleni ukuthi umseleko akafuni ukulalela iqiniso ufuna ukuthi kuziwe ngayo ukuthi uthini and ningamphikisi. So into mina ngiyitholile from this episode that I really liked ukuthi okay uyavuma ukuthi uzomisa amalobolo kaMakhwela. Into ke engavumelani nayo ukuthi athi amakhosikazi akhe meleke manje athula ngabe sakhuluma ngalezi ezinye inkinga anazo ngaye ngoba it's not only indaba kaMakhwela eyinkinga but himself indlela alida ngayo iyabheda. And did I not say ukuthi guys indaba yale therapy le ngeke ize isize? The only reason why eyiplanile le retreat was to convince the wives ukuthi amdedele alobole uMakhwela aqede and also get them to accept ukuthi uzohamba ayohlala eMzumba. Another perspective esingayibuka as much as kungashodi lutho ekhaya and amakhosikazi abuka kanjalo ukuthi akushodi lutho mhlawumbe yena umseleko himself wants a different type of wife. Mhlawumbe uwife ozomlalela ngayo yonke into ayishoyo kube uyena ushaya isicathulo ngabe khona umuntu ozomphikisa. Maybe even though he loves ama wives akhe but he wants someone who's going to listen to him and amnike leyo ndawo as the man. Manje lama emakhosikazi, because they work, they sustain themselves, abasiboni at times isidingo sakhe umseleku. He wants to feel needed, he wants to feel respected, he wants to feel appreciated. Maybe uSamke is that person for him, which is why intentionally or unintentionally planned ukuthi basuke eMzumbe ukuze kube nespace, then uMakhwela azizohlala khona, so kuba uyena ugada ikhaya. And then when it comes to the tank situation, my understanding about that conversation was that uMayeni kwayena ubengakwazi communicate kahle nomseleko, and I think that's all he needed, ukuthi uMayeni amtshele ukuthi uTank uphukile or uphephukile, not ukuthi kuba uyena uMayeni othulayo from the roof awulungise. No. So I feel like naye uMayeni wrong in that sense ukuthi bekuwumuzi wakhe, she was living there full time. Umseleku yena might be jumping from house to house, so he doesn't know everything that is happening kulo muzi nomuzi. So it's up to the wives to tell him ukuthi kushoda lokhu kudinga ukufixwa and all of that. But guys, did you see everyone's face when uMakhumalo started talking about ukhokhela uMphemba and iGceke? I don't know what it is with uMakhumalo. Guys, ngempela, is she saying ukuthi uMphemba is also responsible for the maintenance of the houses as well as iGceke, which is why ethi ngeke esamkhokhela because shuthi khona la alekha khona. Mengibuka nje this whole situation, this is why ngithi wenza kakhulu uMakhumalo, because mangase bembuza ukuthi ucela uba ukuthi alokho emkhokhela uMphemba, uzothini ngempela, ngoba clearly akekho umceleli ukuthi aqhubeka amkhokhele even though akasahlala eMzumbe, because kumele ashiye kube uyena umseleku omkhokhelayo. And I bet you if becommunicatile noMangwabe before aqhubeka emkhokhela uMphemba, I feel like uMangwabe ezomtshela nje ukuthi leave it up to umseleku kube uyena okhokhayo. And Sana, speaking of uMangwabe, oh my goodness, Sana, when she speaks, you have no choice but to listen. And I love that she told uMakhumalo to keep quiet and listen, because I do feel like sometimes uMakhumalo gets too passionate, angabe safuna ukulalela omunye umuntu ukuthi uthini, because she was making a good point ukuthi no, there is no need to stop paying uMphemba, because yena self uMangwabe, she goes to eMzumbe a-check, and in her checking ubonile ukuthi no, okwamanje iGceke alikakhuli kakhulu, so akaqhubeke emkhokhela. And ngiyacela bandla nje umseleku bakithi angaqamba amanga nje on national TV as nje siyababukeli sibuka, even though angihlali nabo, I don't know them as people, but I know for sure ukuthi nje unamanga mayethi uguliso ukuthi amakhosikazi awafuna athathe unumber 5. If that's the case, then kwakumele agule 8 years ago, ngoba bayasho ukuthi it's been 8 years belokhu bedigida le ndaba kanumber 5. I feel like nje mina into emgulisile i-stress sokurealize nje ukuthi uyena obhidlizile umuzi wakhe, and not ukuthi ama-wives ayanqaba. He saw egcineni esemthathile seyimithi silingane abantu ukuthi hey bo, yazi asikho isidingo sokuletha omunye umuntu, and now usephakathi akasakwazi manje ukuyishiya phakathi ingane yabantu, sekumele manje ayiqhubeke ayithathe ayenze unkosikazi. But in looking at all of this, ngivele ngaba concerned kancane ukuthi umndeni waMakhwela, I feel like uzomzonda ngempela uMakhumalo, because it does seem like yonke into imi ngaye. She's the one othrow ama-jabs at uMakhwela embiza ngoBob the Builder. She's the one who's like shading the whole situation. Kanti egcine nje kusuku guys, iqiniso lithi uSamke uyena okhethe ukunithela indoda eshadile, uyena okhethe ukuyeka umsebenzi engakabi unkosikazi ophelele wakamseleku. So the fact that she trusted this man ngempilo yakhe yonke, a man that she did not know, let's hope ngempela khona umehluko ozoba khona after this therapy. Maybe the wives will have a change of hearts, bemamkele, ngoba phela ngithi yakhala umseleku ukuthi eMzumbe akho umuntu akekho ogadile labo, mhlawumbe amakhosikazi azokhathala ukuyogada eMzumbe or ukuyocheck eMzumbe. So hopefully bazogcina bevumile ukuthi kube uyena uSamke ozothatha leyo role yokuba umuntu ogadile khona.